Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create your first map on D20 Plus, on DREAME D20 Plus. You can do it in two different methods, either start cleaning and it'll automatically map during cleaning, or start fast mapping before cleaning, so you can already, before cleaning, you can already edit your rooms and adjust some other things. So that's what I'll do. I can just click on start mapping, and as it says, make sure that all doors to all rooms are open. Your furniture is arranged so that there's more space, more open space. You should clear wires and debris to avoid a robot getting stuck, and don't move a robot or dog during mapping. Now click on OK, and it should begin automatically. So now the robot will start going around your home to start mapping it. It shouldn't take long because it's fast mapping. That's what it's supposed to do. And I'll get back to you when it's done. And in my case, the mapping is already completed. It took really short because I just set it on a table to make it take short, but of course you should do it on the floor. And as you can see, here's my map. It did map the whole room even though it was on the table, but it couldn't go anywhere else, so it mapped only what it saw. And yeah, that's how you create a map. It may take like up to 10 minutes depending on how big your home is. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.